which is greater. So in that the second problem is 0.7 or 0.5. Now if you see here, this is 0.7 or 0.5. Let's compare the whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? The numbers before the decimal point. Alright. Comparing whole numbers. What is the number before the decimal point? Here it is 0 and here also it is 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Next is comparing tens place. Okay, comparing tens place. What is here? Here it is 7 and here it is 5. So which is greater? 7 and 5. So which is greater? 7 is greater than 5. Correct. Since 7 is greater than 5, we can say that 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Therefore, 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Okay, let's go to the next problem. 7 or 0.7. Alright. Now, if you see here, 7 can be written as 7.0. What do you mean by 7? 7 is a whole number. So, where is the decimal point? After the whole number. Alright. Okay. So 7 can be written as 7.0, alright, which is equal to 7.0 or 0.7. This is how it is. Now let's compare. Comparing, first we should compare the whole numbers. Comparing whole numbers. Here it is 7 and here it is 0. So 7 and 0 is there. So which is greater? 7 is greater, right? Since 7 is greater in the whole number, we can directly say that 7.0 or 7 is greater than 0.7. Okay, so we don't have to go to the digits in the tens place. Alright, because since the whole number is already greater, we don't have to compare the other place values. Alright, okay, the other digits. Alright, so therefore directly we can write that this number is greater than this number. Therefore, 7.0 is greater than 0.7. Therefore, 7.0 is what? 7. 7 greater than 0.7. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Alright. We'll go to the fifth one. Okay. Fifth one is 2.03 or 2.30. Now again for this, comparing whole numbers. When you compare the whole numbers, what you get? Here it is 2 and here it is 2. So 2 and 2 is there. So these two are equal. 2 is equal to 2. Now comparing, let's compare the tens place. Alright. What is in the tens place? This is the tens place and this is the tens place here. Here it's 0 and here it is 3. So comparing tens place, 0 and 3 is there. Okay. So 0 is less than 3. That means 2.03 is less than 2.30. Therefore, 2.03 is less than 2.30. Okay. So, but the question is which is greater, right? Therefore, 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Okay. So, this is the answer. If you go to the last problem, 0.8 or 0.88. Okay. Now 0.8 can be written as 0. See here after decimal 2 digits are there. Here there is only 1 digit given. Okay. When there is 1 digit after decimal, if there is no digit, you can put 0. Which means that 0.8 can also be written as 0.80. Now we have 2 digits after decimal. And here also we have 2 digits. Okay. So 0.88. Alright. Now let's compare the whole numbers. Comparing whole numbers. Okay. 0 and here 0. 0 is equal to 0. Let's compare tens place. What is here in tens place? 8. And here also it is 8. Okay. So 8 is equal to 8. Right. Next, what do we have? We have comparing. See, this is what hundredths place. That is 1 by 100. This is how you write. Okay. Hundredths place. Comparing 100th place. What do you get? Here it is 0 and here it's 8. 0 and 8 is there. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So 0 is less than 8. Right, 0 is less than 8. Therefore, we can say that this 0.80 is less than 0.88. Therefore, 0.80 is less than 0.88. Okay. So, which is greater here? 0.88 is greater. Therefore, 0.88 is greater than 0.80.